Welcome to the AmGoldX video presentation of Team Extreme Big Time. Kung may papakita kami sa iyong paraan kung paano kakikita ng 180,000 ng paulit-ulit, makikinig ka ba? Kung mapapakita namin sa iyo kung ano ang ginagawa ng team namin para ma-achieve ang income goal na yon sa loob lang ng 1 to 2 months, magiging interesado ka ba? Sobrang nakaka-excite dahil meron ng opportunity na wala nang magiging dahilan para hindi ka kumita. Hindi mo na rin kailangan matutunan gumawa ng website, blog, Facebook ads at iba't ibang traffic techniques para magkaresulta. Bonus na lang yon kung marunong ka. Sa sobrang simple niya, napakadami ng Pilipino ang sumasali at nagkakaroon ng mabilis na resulta na matagal na nilang inaasam kahit super busy pa sila. Napakadali dahil 100% online lang at pwede kahit saan ka mang parte ng mundo. Dito mo mararamdaman ang totoong essence ng teamwork at hindi mo na rin kailangan maging sponsoring master. Team Extreme Big Time would like to introduce you AmGoldX or Emirates Gold Exchange. AmGoldX specializes in the buying and selling of investment gold bars of different value. The company not only sells investment gold bars but also provides a guarantee of buyback of gold from its customers with the most profitable prices. Ito ang parent company ng AmGoldX, ang Gold and Silver Physical Metals na located sa Germany. Bali ang mga clients dito ay mga big investors and wholesalers. And pwede nyong i-check ang kanilang website sa goldsilvermetals.com. In 2010, Gold and Silver Physical Metals KG registered AmGoldX or Emirates Gold Exchange in the territory of UAE and Dubai, the city of gold. AmGoldX is an online shopping portal trading smaller quantities, 1 gram to 100 grams under Swiss law with global provider Global Swiss Trade SA. AmGoldX company is an internet shop and operating in concordance with UN Citral Model Law on Electronic Commerce of 1996 as well as Directive 2000/31/EC of the European Parliament and of the Council of June 8, 2000 on certain legal aspects of information society services, particularly in electronic commerce/internet market. Marketing program Goldex is designed to assist only those who have a desire to promote the company's products over the internet shop in the world market and to receive credit bonuses from the company for advertising and attraction of new customers. The gold provider of AmGoldX is Global Swiss Trade SA, which is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Pwede niyong i-check ang kanyang registration sa www.zefix.ch at pwede niyong i-search dyan ang Global Swiss Trade SA. Ito naman ang Certificate of Incorporation and Certificate of Registration ng AmGoldX at ng Global Swiss Trade SA. At ito naman ang Head of AmGoldX and Gold and Silver Physical Metals na si Michael Rees. At iba pang head ng AmGoldX. So ano ang product ng AmGoldX? Ang product ng AmGoldX ay 24 karat 999.9 pure gold. Pwede nyong i-check yan sa secure.amgoldex.com/gs. At ito ang iba pang products ng AmGoldX ranging from 1 gram to 100 grams of 999.9 fine gold. So why gold? Gold has strong ROI or return on investment. Gold counters inflation. Gold bars are very secure. The gold market is booming and demand for gold continues to grow. And who wants gold? People wanting growth on their money, people who collect gold, people wanting security for their money, and people who want gold through the AmGoldX marketing program. So as of 2014, AmGoldX has more than 500,000 clients all over the world. At ito naman ay photos from our clients from all over the world, starting from Greece, Germany, Italy. Ayan, so makikita ninyo, hawak-hawak ng ating mga clients ang kanilang gold watch and gold bars. Cyprus, Spain, and Poland. So malamang ngayon ay gusto mo nang matutunan kung paano kumita sa mGoldX, and make sure to finish the video to know how you can be part of our fast-growing team. Gusto lang namin linawin sa iyo na ang mGoldX is not an investment scheme. Ang mGoldX ay isang online selling and trading of gold. Ang mGoldX ay may ginawang marketing program na may rewards-based system, and almost 200 countries are participating in this kind of marketing program. Sa Japan pa lang, marami tayong kababayan doon ang talagang umasenso ang buhay because of the marketing program of mGoldX. Lilinawin po namin na dito sa marketing program na ginawa ni mGoldX ay wala pong pilitan ng pagsali. We are just sharing to you this wonderful opportunity. So, sobrang simple ng sistema, kahit bata kayang-kaya itong gawin. Kung hindi mo pipiliin na bumili ng worth 15 grams of gold directly kay mGoldX at mas pinili mong option 2, ito ay ang marketing program na ino-offer ni mGoldX. Sa mGoldX, ang bibili ng gold para sa iyo worth 15 grams or 540 euro. 36,500 ang SRP ng coupon order dito sa Pilipinas. Ito ang prepayment mo para sa 15 grams of gold bar. Ito ay tutumbasan ni mGoldX ng worth 80 to 100 grams of gold as a reward the moment na magawa mo ang kanilang hinihinging requirements. That is the 1+2. Ano ito? Ito yung maghahanap ka ng dalawang tao na tulad mo na interesado rin maging client ni mGoldX na magbabayad din ng halagang 36.5 or 540 euro. Pwede mo bayaran ng prepayment sa mGoldX sa sumusunod na paraan. Number 1, kung may credit card ka, pwedeng gumamit ng Visa, Mastercard at iba pa. Pwede mong i-check sa kanilang website ang iba pang options. Simply visit www.mgoldx.com. Pwede ka ring mag-bank transfer sa kanilang bank account. May processing days at aabot ng ilang araw bago ma-confirm ang payment mo para ma-activate ang account mo sa table of orders. Para simple at mas mabilis ang proseso, pwede kang mag-order gamit ang coupon order na nagkakahalaga ng 36.5, that is the Philippine SRP, for instant activation of your account in the table of orders. Kahit magbago pa ang palitan ng euro sa pesos, naka-steady lang sa 36.5 ang payment. Mas maganda ito para pag ikaw rin ang nagkaroon ng gold reward, ay pwede mo itong ipambili ng coupon codes for new orders at mabebenta sa parehong halaga. We highly recommend this mode of payment. Ngayon naman ay papakita ko sa iyo ang marketing plan ng mGoldX at ito yung tinatawag nilang table of orders. Ang kailangan lang gawin ay dapat mapuno ang level 1. So halimbawa si 1 ay ni-refer ni Ana, si 2 ay ni-refer ni A, si 3 ay ni-refer ni 2 kahit bago pa lang siya, at si B ay ni-refer ka. Okay, so diyan ka magsa-start sa level 1. Si 5 naman ay ni-refer ni Jose, si 6 ni-refer ni Joey, si 7 ay ni-refer ni C, at si 8 naman ay ni-refer ni Joey. So once na puno ang level 1, ang mangyayari sa table ay magsisplit, at si Jose naman ay e-exit at pupunta sa second table. Ngayon naman, si Ana at Joey ay ang may chance na maging level 4 naman. At sila naman ang may chance ngayon na maka-exit at makakuha ng exit reward. So yung level 1 ay magkakaroon ng 8 slots ulit na pupunuin sa table of orders. And once na napuno na yon, ay magsisplit ulit ang table and so on and so forth. So anong mangyayari kay Jose? Jose will proceed to the second table, auto-filled na yon. Halimbawa, in this case, si Carl lang sponsor ni Jose at sumunod lang si Jose kay Carl. And Jose will receive first table exit reward na may 14-day countdown na 3,500 credit bonuses. 3,500 credit bonuses minus 245, yun yung 7% processing fee. So ang makikredit kay Jose ay 3,255 credit bonuses. With 3,255 credit bonuses, you will be bought the investment gold, which is your personal, material, physical property. 3 to 55 credit bonuses is usually 180,000 pesos or bigger. So things to remember, one coupon order is equal to 36,500, that is the SRP for Philippines, entry fee for your table order in the GoldX program. Good for 2 table exits per entry, and 3,500 table exit reward times 2, so 7,000 credit bonuses ang makukuha mo per entry. So that is equal to 180,000 pesos times 2 equals 360,000 pesos in total rewards. Grabe! Ang maganda dito sa mGoldX ay meron siyang 14 days full money back guarantee. Pwede mong i-check ang kanilang terms and conditions sa secure.mgoldex.com/mx/terms.php. So how to claim reward? Ito ang tandaan mo. mGoldX always pays you in gold. Okay? So the amount of money is fixed at 3 to 55 euros. The grams of gold depend on the daily price of gold at the London Gold Fixing. So nagdedepende ang makukuhang gold reward mo sa price ng London Gold Fixing. And your gold can be physically delivered by courier. So ito ay isang photo example ng isang kababayan natin na nakakuha ng kanyang gold bar na delivered by mGoldX. And your gold can be stored in Germany bullion. Yan, sa Pro Aurum. And you can sell the gold back instantly to the company in your back office and transfer the money to your bank or OK debit card. So in this example, ito ay ang screenshot from the back office. So ito ang makikita mo once na magkakaroon ka ng gold reward from mGoldX. So dito makikita mo merong iba't ibang weight ng gold na reward mo. So merong quantity yan, tig-isa yan, at meron siyang prices. So kung mapapansin mo, meron siyang current selling price and current buying price. Parang sa dolyar, di ba? Parang sa foreign exchange na mabibili mo ng mas mahal at mabebenta mo ng mas mura. Pero ang maganda dito ay mGoldX guarantees the buyback of gold. So in this example, pag ibebenta ang gold na ito sa mGoldX, ang makukuha mo ay 3,017 euros. And you can also use the money for coupons for new clients. Ito naman ang mga photos from our clients in Brazil last 2013, Peru, our conference in Lithuania, pati sa Russia, grabe, meron din. Grabe, no? Portugal, mga leaders natin sa Japan na nakakuha ng kanilang gold watches and gold bars. And syempre, papatalo bang mga Pilipino? Meet the Team Extreme Big Time members with their big time results. Ito si Miss Laura Del Comiso na umexit in 15 days. Si Bro Edgar Suarez na OFW from Canada, umexit siya in 22 days lang. Si Sis Flor Palillo, OFW from the Middle East, umexit naman ng 28 days. Ito naman si Prince Tejada and Joseph Isit, umexit sila. Grabe, napakabilis, 13 days. Si Janjan Sanglay from South Korea, batang-bata, 21 years old, umexit in 24 days lang. Ito naman, isa pang leader natin sa South Korea, si Miss Ann Garcia, umexit naman ng 25 days. Joey Suarez, OFW from Dubai, umexit ng 28 days. Ito naman si Marisa Enrea from Batangas, umexit in 26 days. Three Kings natin, si Toby, si Oreo, at si Bro Rodel, na umexit lang in 26 days. Ryan Apaco in 23 days. At marami pang iba. As of March 10, 2015, 116 days since Team Extreme Big Time was founded, meron na tayong 2,237 active clients that is equal to more than 81 million pesos in total sales. Grabe! Dito lang yan sa Team Extreme Big Time! Gusto rin naming maranasan mo ang nararanasan ng mga members namin sa team. And once na nag-decide ka, kasama mo kami para maka-exit ka kaagad at makuha mo ang resulta na deserve ng effort at prayers mo. If you have any more questions, clarifications, and inquiries, don't forget to get back to the Team Extreme Big Time member who introduced you to this wonderful opportunity. Make sure na Team Extreme Big Time member yung babalikan mo para makuha mo rin yung ibang bonuses and good news ng team para sa'yo. Once again, this is Team Extreme Big Time saying, if you want something you've never had, you've got to do something you've never done. Take action now, my dear friend, and join our team today.